trains, they activate a lot sooner, right?
Yeah, freight trains can be.
And it probably takes a while. Oh yeah, there's the headlight. Probably about to activate. I'm just standing like back here.
Okay.
Oh, there it is. Oh, it's double deck. Or is it single? I don't know.
Yeah, so.
Oh,
Single.
it's single.
Looks like it has a second engine in the back again.
Yep. Oh yeah, it's single.
Two.
Oh really?
The old engine.